That's funny. On that wall it says Delaware. You went to this second story building right here in front of me?
Yeah. Yeah, I hit pretty much all these up already. Anything good? It's not updated yet.
Yeah, yep, no, I know.
That was nice. It's nice.
Yeah, bro. I know you threw it like
I'm just gonna play dead.
Yeah, don't worry. Then I kinda know you're dead without that crit.
I see one guy right next to me, I think, so him and his squad's probably going Raws. Oh, shit. Last.
Oh, excuse me, that came out of nowhere.
Ooh.
Come on, bro. You're gonna make me fall. You can put a couple of Coronas in the fridge right now.
Ooh. Nope. I was playing one time.
The apartments across.
Self.
Game.
Yeah.
You feel like I'm playing fucking Resident Evil or some shit. Yo, Jay, I got you with the link after this match. You sick fuck. Really? I didn't got the shotgun.
Helmet on.
Yeah, I don't think anybody dropped here. Still moving up though.
Yeah, I couldn't find it.
Area and it tells you how far they are.
Yeah.
What if it's a shorter person?
Well, it's a good thing it's just a video game and everybody's the same exact height.
Everybody got a helmet and a vest?
I ain't got a vest, but I got a helmet.
There's a vest.
That's actually really good. The dark style one. Yeah, compared to Guinness, this has a little bit more of a stronger coffee flavor to it.
Damn. Excuse me. At this, so we'll make it though.
Did that on all of them, that kind of thing. I went through each major task on all of the systems before moving on to the next major task. And I only step, right? The thing needs to be reinforced. Be mindful, conscious, and deliberate about your actions. Think about your next step. Make sure that you are prepared to do what you need to do. Michael McAllister with the top spot today. Let's see. I stream at work on Wednesdays and Fridays, so you can check it out somewhere there. I'll probably be doing this sort of thing on the road. You can kind of see, obviously, you can kind of see there you're all hanging out in the dash a little bit. So, what's up? Oh, thank you for the bite, trolling. Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna be much, but all in all, that was fun. Saturday was like a birthday party, another crazy wild time. People throwing into the pool and stuff. The Source engine was awesome. I loved the gravity gun. That was so cool. Oh, excuse me. You could recycle them and stuff, right? Payday soon, though. Yes, it is. That's right, undesired. The original barter system was I will give you this sheep for some wood. Gold was and is a good medium, just as silver and copper. Diamonds would work too if they weren't so plentiful and controlled by diamond cartels. True. It's socialism! Denmark has the highest price per electricity of real-world performance. Right? And again, correct me if I'm wrong in any of this. This is all just where I was. It has a stable VRM. It has the overclocking capability. Not that I would do that. I would not. I also thought, how cool would it be to make a big monster machine, right, like an XL, and have two machines. Gross. That's not too bad. I need to upgrade the entertainment system in my car. Yeah, I can dig that. I wish this little screen point, like a little 150cc Ruckus. That'd be cool as shit. But I was thinking, I was thinking, the Node 304. Uh-oh, I think my dog's gonna get rained on today. Poor bubber. I feel bad. How I'm doing?
Doing good and shit.
You want these?
Got the wrap snacks.
Man, I can't even catch the 40. There we go.
Got the Know Your Malt shirt and the wrap snacks in hand.
Yeah.
But it's okay. We're a family too.
We're in squalor. Here, see this shirt? That's gonna be the doing it up.
Shout out to Amy. We're good to go, dude.
Tires.
Oh, also, yeah.
That's
a goodie, man.
Going strong.
Legs is going strong, man.
Dude, Legsy's fucking pounding them, dude. The other day he was worried, like, they just want to hang out. It's alright.
It's alright.
They're like, oh man, you got wrap snacks and malt liquor? I'll hang out with you.
Slow roll Sundays. $1.50 fucking package of shit. Approaching the swell.
Skin, dude. Why do I care about a skin at all? So, but that's me. You're looking at the wrong person. You know, a skin to me is just a skin. Now, personally,
see, I love his opening statement. Hold on. Take that air.
We got the burps tonight. Shit.
Protracted development cycle. However, the mess becomes his opening statement. Quote,
Homecast and there's Verizon. That's it. That's the only two I'm looking at. I'm not looking anywhere else. But if Verizon went away and
making sense, like there's some really cool software that's on the Oculus store, which is pretty much just as bad a platform for gaming as well.
Detonator reset.
Oh, second detonator reset again.
nobody ever wants to give me ammo.
Come on. Oh crap. Oh crap. Fucking stop me.
That's a hollow drive.
I don't know, that's just what it told me to do. It was like, defend this hollow drive. Skype got burned. All right, let's go to friends. Oh, jeez.
Taking a matchstick, right? You can break it in half once, and you can probably break it in half again.
Three
I
or
did
4
pedal
days.
it the last time I was here too, but I use it every time I come over. Either I'm pedaling it or I put my jacket on it.
We bought it for you.
Oh, good. Thanks. I need that.
Tweak. Jackie.
So
that's the only.
Yeah, she.
70.
Pesaba 70 cuando llegué.
¿Cuánto mides?
Que no pudiera hacer promoción de que Shira.
¿Ella piensa eso?
Imagínate el nivel de... Dije, sí, órale pues. Pero han sido cosas muy chingonas. Yo creo que ayer comimos pizza, la pizza estaba muy buena. ¿Te gustó?
Los personajes.
Los personajes también.
Que ellos todo el tiempo tienen cámaras. Ajá.
La vez que me dijeron que no podía decir nada fue cuando yo te dije cosas.
¿Que te torcieron?
Pero no me torcieron, creo que era parte de, como que ya estaba, porque parece que Lili también sabe.
¿Sabe?
Es que es algo que no, pero sí andaban.
¿Cómo los conceptos cambian? Lo que estaba platicando con Lili. Quien no hacías buena mezcla, tienes más.
Que nunca voy a tocar. Que Sandro, tú, Dani, el chile. Bueno, nunca mientras
no sea la
ya no esté.
Que ya pasó una semana de que se fue Payito y 2 semanas de que nos fuimos Shira y yo. ¡Qué rápido! Y sin embargo sientes que no avanza el...
Soy el quinto habitante. Y el quinto habitante y se fue Dan.